Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to create a 3 dozen roses hand-tied bouquet. For this, we will not be using the spiral rose method, where you put your roses on an incline like this. Instead, we will be using a method that requires your roses to be a little bit dehydrated, like this. As you can see, the heads here are very soft and they are really easy to bend. That's really good for this method because it will really help us form our bouquet. When in the contrary, when the rose is well hydrated, as you can see here, it is very easy to break like that. So we don't want that happening. And even if your rose is dehydrated, it does not matter since you will be putting it into water and it will rehydrate into the shape of your bouquet. So you'll also need some ribbon, some greenery, a pair of scissors, knife, tape, and a piece of wire. First, you're going to begin by cleaning your rose and cutting it short. So now we're going to begin to assemble our bouquet. At this point, it's just freehand. Assemble your roses any way that you'd like, mixing the colors as you go along. As you can see here, my roses are dehydrated, which allows me to bend it like this. Makes it easier for me to work with and make a great round bouquet, as the heads are supposed to bend. Versus if I was to do the spiral method, it'd be much more difficult for me at the end to make the handle straight. Once you are done, all you're going to need to do is just tape it together. As you can see here, the dehydration in the roses allows it to take this shape. Once again, don't be concerned if it is dehydrated. We will put them into hot water and that will rehydrate, and they will rehydrate into that shape, into that curved shape. As you can see here, the stems are straight down and they will not break. Just cut it to your desired length. We're also going to add some greenery. Greenery is important for in case you break one of your roses. See, it has fell off your bouquet. If you don't want your rose to break while you're holding it during your ceremony, you can always put greenery on the bottom of your bouquet. The stiffness of the stems from the greenery is what's going to prevent your rose from breaking. Many brides don't like the look of greenery in their bouquets. However, that does not matter since you will not see the greenery anyways. Once you're done with your bouquet and adding greenery, we're going to add the ribbon. We have a little trick where you flip your tape over onto its sticky side, and that allows the ribbon to stay secure, so it's much easier for you to wrap the stem. So you can see it's sticky now, so when I'm going to put the ribbon on, it won't slip around or it won't fall off. secure your ribbon with some pins. Ensure that you leave a little bit of stem under the ribbon. This is what's going to allow your roses to rehydrate overnight. This also allows us so that the ribbon does not get wet. So make sure you leave a little bit of stem for that. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments, questions, and concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.